alternative ending with a harmonic. Wow, another super smooth tune. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember that the metronome settings for each of the songs is important to observe as you're preparing for your exam. And I'm trying to stay as close as I can with all my recordings to the indicated rhythms. And you should too, really. Try to do the best you can. If you're playing along with me, do the best you can to stay together and move around with the YouTube settings to move my recording maybe faster or slower to suit your needs. I hope that's helpful. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.